Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discussing most important cue card. Describe something you taught to your friend. What did you teach him or her? When was it? How long was it for? Explain how you felt about. Okay, now start now. Your first question, what did you teach him or her? During a casual talk on a Friday evening, my friend stated her desire to study the philosophy and develop into the teaching of a famous philosopher. Intrigued by her inquiry, I enthusiastically provided thought on some of my favorite philosophers, intentionally integrating discussion. I subsequently suggest some notable books, articles, and sermons written by famous historical personalities. My objective was to extend her intellectual boundaries and instill a desire for future explorations. When was it? It happened during the stressful periods of my final semester examination last year. Despite flurry of the academic obligation, the timing stand out vividly in my memory. My friend frequently apologized for unwittingly diverting me from my studies, act as the poignant remember of the conservation time. How long was it for? Our decision extended for longer than the 2 hours, developing deeply into the philosophical issue. However, initial season merely laid the framework for ongoing knowledge and opinion exchange. Each encounter with a new philosopher masterpiece sparked new discussions, bordering our comprehension of the various philosophers, their writing. Explain how you felt about it. I felt gratefully to share the wisdom of my legend with someone who valued it. My acquaintances become a valuable companion, providing a secure area for me to express myself without fear of being judged. Sacred words resonated with me. All I know is that I know nothing. This interaction reinforced the value of the humanity and continuous learning.